Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT in Binance. So first of all, you have to open your Binance application in your mobile. And when you are here, you can see these options. You just have to tap on this wallet in the bottom right corner and then you will see this interface. You can see these options here. Tap on this funding and then you can see this option P2P. Tap on this P2P and now these are the persons who are selling USDT. So you have to buy USDT from any person. You can see their completion rate, you can see their trades to assure that this person is real. Or you can go to this filter, then select the amount you want to buy the USDT and then you can select the payment method here as well. Let's say bank transfer, or you can select the country here. After that, tap on this confirm and now these are the persons. Tap on this buy, enter the amount you want to buy the USDT and then you simply have to tap on this buy USDT again. And now as you can see, order is created. You can see this view payment details. Just tap on this view payment details and then you can see all the details of that person, how you can transfer him. Just copy his IBAN number and transfer the money. Then you have to tap on this transfer notify seller and then you have to submit a screenshot of your bank transaction or maybe your national ID card and then the seller will send you the money. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.